Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to find liked videos on YouTube. Why would you want to know how to find liked videos on YouTube? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to find liked videos on YouTube. So today I am going to show you how to find liked videos on YouTube. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Finding liked videos on YouTube is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write youtube.com in search bar. Here is the interface of YouTube. Now you are seeing three lines in top left corner. Click on it. Now you are seeing liked videos button. Click on it. In this folder, you will find those videos that you have pressed like while watching the video. There you go. If you wanted to know how to find liked videos on YouTube, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.